In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dashboard in Zoho Analytics. This process is straightforward and can greatly enhance your data visualization and analytical capabilities. Let's dive in step by step. First, you'll need to open your Zoho Analytics workspace. This is your hub for all things related to data analysis within the Zoho environment. Once you're in your workspace, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. You'll notice various options on the interface designed to help you manage and analyze your data more efficiently. Now, draw your attention to the top left corner of your screen where you'll see the Create button. Clicking this button is your first step in bringing a new dashboard to life. After clicking Create, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select the New Dashboard option. This choice instructs Zoho Analytics that you're looking to craft a fresh, custom dashboard to suit your particular analytical needs. Alternatively, if you're browsing through the menu bar, keep an eye out for the Dashboards button. Clicking on Dashboards will provide you with additional options. For our purpose here, select the Create New Dashboards choice to land directly in the dashboard editor. Both methods will take you to the same editor, so feel free to use the one that feels most intuitive and convenient to you. Once you're in the dashboard editor, you'll find a range of tools and functionalities at your disposal. It's in this space that you can begin choosing what data you want to visualize, as well as how you want it to be presented. The editor is designed to be user-friendly, with drag-and-drop features and multiple customization options, so you can tailor your dashboard precisely to your liking. As you're setting up your dashboard, keep in mind the type of data insights you're aiming to extract. This will guide you in selecting the right widgets, visual styles, and layout configurations. Whether you're depicting sales metrics, project timelines, or customer feedback, Zoho Analytics provides a breadth of options to ensure your dashboard meets your business objectives. In designing a dashboard, clarity and simplicity are key. Aim to present your data in a way that is accessible and meaningful to all who will be viewing it. As you configure and adjust the elements of your dashboard, take the time to preview your changes frequently. This ensures everything aligns with your expectations and makes necessary adjustments easier to manage on the go. Once you're satisfied with the setup, your dashboard becomes a powerful tool for tracking key metrics and making data-driven decisions. With practice, you'll develop an eye for creating visually appealing and insightful dashboards that elevate your analytical capabilities. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating a dashboard in Zoho Analytics. With these tools in hand, you're well on your way